Everyone, remember I told you today was the day I reorganized the food storage. The last time I showed you a video on my food storage that needed revamped, this was the room that didn't have anything in it. And I was using it to put those after I organized buckets to put back there. And then every time I freeze dry or get supplies, I tell my husband, take this over, take this over, take this over. And he has nowhere to put it. So he's just like, well, I had to put it in that room. It's the only empty spot I found. I'm like, oh my goodness. So this is what I'll be doing today. These are my empty buckets. Those are empty buckets. Back there, something looks like a bucket of spices without a lid. I've got to work on this. And then here's the other room. This is the one I said I was going to go through. We've got 2 buckets deep here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buckets high until it hits the low ceiling in this room. And I was completing buckets here, permanently labeling them, and then putting them in the other one. And then he was going to do some roof repairs, but in the meantime, the ceiling repairs, excuse me, the ceiling fell. So he had to put this up there, and so that was a little bit more, work to do. But anyway, this is what I'm doing today, and this, wish me luck. I'm just going to have to try to append this video onto another one, so I'll keep it short. All right, everyone. Oh, my Lanta. Can't even move. Okay, be blessed and wish me luck. Hello, everyone, and welcome to day 2 of organizing the food storage. Now, I know that I'm not done, okay? So I try not to concentrate on what I didn't get done, but what I did accomplish. I moved all these buckets. I left all the buckets that have spices and herbs in them here. The freeze-dried food is still back there. I've got a bunch of beans back there that need moved. This right here needs moved. These are things that haven't found their home yet. These are things that are pre-sorted. Right here are some more things I didn't get to. But let me tell you what I did get to. I moved all of these buckets in here. And even more importantly, every single one of them is inventoried. Now, they all had labels on them, but I wrote them down in a notebook to put on a spreadsheet. And I feel like if I didn't have to do that, well, then I probably would have been able to get done. I've got some more things here to do. And behind this door here is the freeze-dried things. The ones on the bottom are done. 3 of those are actually done. And then 2 of them are works in progress that I'll add things to. And then, of course, that was my desk. But that's it. That's what I did today. And I feel like I did enough, because it was quite a lot for us to move all these buckets, especially when I only have one good shoulder and the other arm doesn't work. So that's it. I'll try to add these 2 together, and that'll be my video. I don't know if I'm going to be able to come back over here tomorrow, but if not, it'll be a week from today. Be blessed, everyone.